Techno update. Subscribe now.
Ulefone Gemini review. Design and build. The Ulefone Gemini has sleek and rounded edges that complement the large 5.5-in, 1920 by 1080 screen, which is great for viewing media. However, we feel as it is a fraction too big, as you are unable to operate it smoothly in one hand and people with small hands will really struggle. The Gemini is a little weighty as well, although fully expected due to the screen size, but it is quite thin for such a large screen, 9.1mm. The overall build quality of the Gemini is very good. Even just holding it in your hand you feel how sturdy the handset is. The phone has a metal front with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 accompanied by a matte metallic back. This surface gives off a less premium feel to the front, and also smudges easily with fingerprints, which can be a pain to remove. Hardware, features and specs. The 5.5-in 1080p Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, screen is bright and crisp, impressive for the size and its price. Colors are vibrant and viewing angles are good. The glass screen is protected by a smooth plastic border. Unfortunately, the Gemini is lacking in processing power with only a MediaTek MT6737T quad-core 1.5 GHz and 3 GB RAM. This is still more RAM than the Nokia 3, a similar priced phone within the UK market, which has the same MediaTek chip but with only 2 GB RAM. We benchmarked the device and in Antutu it recorded 41,014. In Geekbench 4 it recorded a single-core score of 663 and a multi-core score of 1835. These are low scores but fully expected due to its small processor. The Gemini has 32 GB storage with support for SD cards up to 256 GB, which allows plenty of space for all the media your heart desires. Overall, we were disappointed by the camera quality on the Ulefone Gemini. With a 13MP and 5MP autofocus and all the hype about dual camera technology, I was expecting something revolutionary. Unfortunately, it did not live up to the expectations. The Ulefone Gemini has a Sony 3250mAh polymer battery, which, even though it lacks power, will work efficiently with a MediaTek to bring you up to 320 hours of standby time. This is often the benefit from using a smaller processor and provides the Gemini with the large battery life consumers are beginning to value more and more. One thing that is important to note about the battery is that it takes a long time to charge. Definitely an overnight job. Software. The Ulefone Gemini runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow, although Ulefone stated it should be compatible with Android 7.0 Nougat within a few months of its release date. A date has yet to be confirmed. The interface is easy to navigate and has a number of themes and customizable features. These themes change the style of the app buttons as well as the background.